What's going on, guys? Ultra Anastasio here in Oahu, Waikiki, right in the middle of Waikiki, and I'm at the International Marketplace. And right at the entrance of the International Marketplace, we do have a Tesla store. And I want to check this one out because this one looks a little bit different. When I saw it from the street, it's actually a two-story Tesla storefront. So let's head inside, kind of show you guys around. I did see some stuff here last night. I walked by, it was closed. Saw some merch and things like that. So let's go take a little tour of the Tesla store here in Waikiki. All right, so I'm here in the first floor, which is a street level basically of what you would see if you're walking right into International Marketplace. And on display, we have a 2022 Model Y Performance, basically the same as mine. This one is a Fremont made one because of the F right here on the VIN number. So this is a Fremont made one, but it is made in July. We also have a Model 3 long range here. And for the first time, I'm seeing it in an actual store. We have a white on white Model S Plaid. Looks sick. I want to sit inside this thing, see how it feels, because I haven't sat in a Plaid yet, because there's really not that many out. There's a lot out, but I haven't seen it and sat in one yet, so definitely want to check this one out. But down here in the first floor, pretty standard stuff, except of course for the Model S Plaid, we do have some merch. We got some Cybertruck hoodies right here. We have the Plaid badge on the front of the shirt. We have some hats, a couple other bags here, and then little Powerwall display, as well as what the supercharger looks like at the very front. We do have the Model S Plaid here. I'm excited to see that. And then we also have a Tesla solar display here, panel display. All right, there it is, guys. Just a quick little tour of the store, the Tesla store here in Waikiki, right in the middle and the entrance of the International Marketplace. So if you guys are in town, make sure to check it out. They have 3 cars, Model 3, Model Y, and the Plaid. And pretty nice setup here because like I said, I've only seen mostly these cars, the 3 and the Model Y. Haven't seen a Plaid in person as far as a showroom goes. So that's really cool to see that here on display. That's about it, guys. Just want to give you a quick tour of this store. So make sure to check out some other content. If you want to see some videos on my recent PPF install, check out it over here, or check out another video right over here. See you next one. Take care.